Okay, so we are in a really wrecked house that obviously got burned. It's completely destroyed. I don't want to open it. But yeah, you can see in here, there's a fire. Oh my God, completely destroyed. Oh yeah, the stained glass. It's a little dark. I didn't take out my light. I like the frosted glass. And stained glass up there. But yeah, I'm not gonna go too far in this house because these houses, they always scare me a little bit because they're so unstable. Ooh, and there's this huge nail sticking out. Okay, I'm trying to squeeze through here. I'm gonna take my backpack off. So watch out for the nail that's sticking out at the door here. Big booby trap. How did I get myself in here like this? Okay. So yeah, they have a beautiful lilac tree. All the lilacs are in bloom. Smells so nice. Oh, this way. Ow! Just whacked myself in the head. Well, and they got lily of the valley growing over there too. So yeah, we were thinking that somebody has sort of taken over this place and they're doing a garden. They have chickens. There's a little coop back there with some chickens in it. So I noticed that all the onions over here were growing. So it definitely looks like someone's tending a garden. It's like they've taken over the land. Or it's the property owner and they can't live in the house, but they can still use the land. So yeah, there's a lot of stuff in the back. But I mean, like, it looks like somebody's been working the land a bit, and they're obviously raising chickens. The chickens are alive, like they don't look starved or anything like that. They're in that little coop over there where the lattice is. Go see the chickens. Oh, they went inside in their coop. But they were all in that lattice. Yeah, they went back in their little coop. Oh, they're coming out. Hi, chickens. Hi, guys. You okay? Is everything okay? Yay, you're hungry, eh? Oh, and there's Mr. Rooster. I tried to give them some food because I saw that there's all these like barrels of seed and stuff, but they didn't touch it, so I hope they'll get fed soon. Mr. Rooster's over there. Oh, hey guys. I feel so bad for them, like this little coop, and it's all dirty and stuff. I don't know, maybe that's normal, but if they were my chickens, they would have like this beautiful, immaculate chicken coop with flowers and little things to keep them amused. I don't know if chickens play with toys. They like toys. Like regular birds, like pet birds, they like their toys. Maybe chickens do, I don't know. But yeah, it's pretty cool, you know. They're working the land and stuff. I mean, I would do the same thing. I'd make do with what I have and like try to have a garden, and I would have animals, but of course they would be my pets. Because I wouldn't eat them. I couldn't kill them. I'm too much of a softie. Like there's no way I'd be able to do that. So they would be my pets, and they would be the most spoiled chickens. And if I had like pigs and stuff, they'd be the most spoiled pigs in the world, just pampered. The lilac tree's so beautiful. Yeah, if I was a farmer, all my animals would be like, they'd be pets. Except I'd like to have cows, because then I can have like milk. I'd make my own butter and learn how to make cheese and like that kind of thing. But I don't eat a lot of dairy, so I wouldn't have like a lot of cows. Oh, this looks like some mint or something over here. Let's see. It's not mint. Kind of smells like herby. Okay. Anyway, that's it for this one. So there should be more on this road. So I'll see you guys at the next one.